Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Social Studies, Grade 6, Unit 5, Economy, Lesson 2. The name of the lesson is What is Globalization? So, page number 110. Let's start today's lesson. The lesson target student will recognize what globalization and its effect worldwide. So, let's see one by one all these. The objective of the lessons is define globalization, define the element of globalization. So first of all, let's see what is globalization. Here we start from this flowchart and it helps us to identify and know about globalization. Number one, global network of trade. Number two, global network of transportation by trains or with the help of planes. You can use other means also, but these the main. Now the next here, the global network of communication. How we communicate with others with the help of phones like mobile, internet, you know that, and the televisions. And the third thing here, chatting rooms. You can use different types of application to communicate with others, so it's the communication. Another and important thing here about the national economy, then international economy, how it will change and globalize with the help of trade. Number one. Number two, investment, capital flow, and migration. So these all about the globalization. Now the effects, elements of globalization. Number one is element is foreign investment. Here it tells us, for example, there are two country A and country B. So they both have their own expertise, like has technology of computer. Then the country B has the expertise. So what happened here? They produce latest technologies, long-term investment, both countries benefit. This the number one element. Now see the number two element here, capital flow. What is capital flow in a business? It's referred to the amount of money invested in a certain businesses. It might be land, buildings, or tools. What is capital flow? Capital flow is equal to capital invested plus money of income or additional physical items. How does capital flow affect the economy of a country? Countries exchange goods or services. Flow of money increases, capital increase. So this is all. Thanks for